Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can blow dry your hair to look like that salon blowout at home. So I'm first starting off with my heat protectant spray. This is the Aveda Heat Relief, and I'm just spraying that all throughout my hair and just brushing it through just so it's evenly distributed. Next, I'm going in with my Aveda Phomolliant, just 2 pumps of that. I'm rubbing all of that throughout my hands, and I'm just focusing this on the roots, just really massaging it in and then pulling it through to the ends. This product is really good with giving me some volume and some shine. Again, I'm just brushing that through. Next, I'm going to take a rectangle mohawk section at the top of my head, and I'm just sectioning that out and then clipping the rest of my hair away. Now taking that top section, I'm going to start from the back and work my way forward, taking small rectangular sections, starting at the back, and taking a pretty large round brush, and I'm starting at the base, the root of my hair, and just blow drying that straight up, just to give maximum volume. So yeah, just focusing on the roots and then slowly working my way up, and then eventually getting to the ends of my hair. So now I'm just going to speed through this next part. Just keep on repeating those steps until your hair is dry. Also, ignore my roots. I know they're terrible. I will get them done as soon as this pandemic is done. But yeah, just keep going up and down the length of your hair just to ensure everything gets dried. Okay, so now that it is all dry, I just brushed through that section one last time, and I'm going to take 3 fingers widths and wrap that hair around my 3 fingers, and then take that hair and roll it down to the base of my head, taking a duckbill clip, and then just securing that, just so it stays kind of like a cylinder at the top of my head. Okay, so now I'm just going to continue those same steps that I used for that last section, with about 3 more sections until I get to the front of my hairline. Okay, so now we've come to our last section. I'm just doing again the exact same thing, but instead of going up, I'm kind of rolling my hair forward, just because there's not really any room to go up. And yes, I look like Cindy Lou Who. So for the sides, I'm going to show you actually a second technique on how you can do this. So you're going to be doing the same thing with your round brush and your blow dryer, but instead of clipping it up with those clips and rolling it around your finger, you're actually going to be using Velcro rollers. So you start at the base of your head and you roll your hair, just slide your hair forward all the way to the ends, and then just start rolling your hair upward until you get to the root. And we're just going to continue to do that throughout the rest of the head. Again, I'm starting at the front, just working on drying every part of my hair strand from roots to mids to ends. And yeah, just keep going with those Velcro rollers. We're on to our last section. And again, just a little bit more slowed down. Again, roll that Velcro roller to the end and then roll your hair all the way up to the base of your head. So now we're kind of definitely looking like Cindy Lou Who over here. Wow. Or George Washington. So yeah, this is what you should look like by the end. And we're going to take our sections out starting from the bottom and working our way up to the top. Now keep in mind, I did let these cool off for at least like 3 minutes just to make sure everything has set in place and I get the volume and that curl that I want. So yeah, really easy, starting from the bottom, working our way up. For that top section, we're just going to take all the clips out and you should be left with something looking like this. Really fashionable, really cute. I'm loving the volume. So now that all of that is taken out, I'm taking my hair oil. I'm just using the Davines Oi one, and I'm just working this in through my ends and eventually working up, not to the root, but you know, just glazing over the top of my head just to smooth everything out and give it a nice shine. So now I'm just parting my hair in the middle or wherever you part it, and this is kind of the final look. I love the movement and all the volume that this blowout gives, and you look like you just got out of the hair salon. Absolutely love it. This definitely made me feel way better throughout the day because my hair looked so bomb. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to blow dry your hair. Take care guys.